Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video I'm going to be explaining to you why a $6,000 Ethereum is a lot closer than you might think. And no, I'm not saying this to clickbait you, although I had a feeling it would get you to click on the video. I guess it worked. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a very real reason, based on real charts and based on real history, why Bitcoin and Ethereum really are going into big rallies, and we really are going to see a $6,000 Ethereum sooner than you might expect. We got a lot of technical analysis to break down in today's video. I'm really looking forward to it. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button. But without much further ado, guys, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. We are here on the Ethereum US dollar chart, and the very first thing I need to do is explain a little bit about what's happened over the last 6 months. Notice Ethereum hit an all-time high of $4,400 on May the 11th of 2021. We also hit a local high of $4,033 on the 3rd of September. That gives us two horizontal levels of resistance right here and also right here. Basically what we're looking at is a rectangular resistance level here on this market. And then we're also looking at a uptrending level of support right here. What does this mean? Well, this essentially means that Ethereum is in one gigantic ascending triangle pattern, which looks strikingly similar to what we saw back in 2017 when we saw a ascending triangle pattern that ended up leading us about 300% to the upside. I'm going to leave that for another video because that predicts about an $8,000 Ethereum. But in this video, I want to talk a little bit more about this ascending triangle pattern, because you see, when you're looking at an ascending triangle pattern, there is a very particular way that you use it for a price target. And the way you do that is by drawing the flag of the entire flag itself, the flagpole of the flag. Up here, we have our pennant. This is our ascending triangle pattern. And then we have a flagpole, which represents the market rally before that ascending triangle pattern formed. We would draw it either from here at $235 or here at $89 at the bottom, and then move to the upside and move to the top where we topped out at $4,400. What we would then do is from the breakout, we would extrapolate, and as you can see, that gives us, this is on a log chart, so that's why it looks all flat like that, that would give us between a $6,000 and $7,000 Ethereum once we break to the upside. Now, I've explained in many videos recently why I think we're going to break all-time high this month. I think we're going to be on our way towards breaking all-time high this month, and then probably breaking it early on in November, But I think that once we do that, we are going to be rallying towards 7,000. Let's explain why. Number one, we have not only an ascending triangle pattern, I've already shown you that, but number two, inside this ascending triangle pattern, we're also seeing a cup and handle formation. Notice we have our cup right here, and then we have our descending trading channel right there. That gives us a cup and handle formation. If we extrapolate this, then this gives us a $5,200 Ethereum price target by mid-November. Now, on that flag from earlier, I'm not using this to predict the time that we're going to hit 7,000, because we are in a completely different ball game after we break this ascending triangle pattern. So I think it's going to happen before July the 16th, as it would predict. But this cup and handle formation that predicts 5,200 by mid-November, I think is absolutely right. Not only that, guys, but if we look at Lux Algo here, we can see that Lux Algo, currently under a sell signal, is very much capable of switching to a buy signal relatively soon, the same way that Bitcoin did just yesterday. If Ethereum does that, then we would have the strength required to break through and blast through $4,000 to $4,400, and then we would be able to move to the upside. On top of that, looking at the daily chart here as well, at some of our other technical chart formations, we can look at the MACD. We're very bullish here. And looking at our RSI, we are also quite bullish here. If you look at the RSI, then you can see that we are currently under what is known as bullish RSI divergence. There's an uptrending level of support here, a downtrending level of support here. Every pattern I am looking at is leading me to believe that we're heading above all-time high towards $6,000 to $7,000. But I have a couple of other reasons I want to bring to you that might be happening. Ethereum settles over $6 trillion in transactions in past 12 months. I'm not going to jump into a lot of content on this, but take a look at this chart. Look at how much the Ethereum network has been utilized in 2020 versus in the last 12 months so far. We saw $1.3 trillion in 2020 of transactional volume on Ethereum. In the last 12 months, we've seen $6.2 trillion in the last 12 months. On top of that, The total value locked, TVL, in Ethereum has breached 130 billion. Total DeFi locked in total value locked is sitting around 195, but Ethereum alone is sitting at $135 billion locked in value. What that means is that the total amount of value locked in Ethereum is higher now than was locked in Ethereum when Ethereum hit all-time high last time. If you want to look for a fundamental metric to predict long-term price appreciation on Ethereum, look no farther than the amount of money being used for what Ethereum was designed for. If this is a model that we can follow, then we should be predicting, based just off of TVL, a $5,000 to $7,000 Ethereum in just the next several months, and the charts back that up. So here's the deal, guys. Both technically and fundamentally, there is strong reason to believe that a $5,000 to $7,000 Ethereum is coming. Why? Because it is being used. Ethereum 2.0 is not even here yet, but ever since the IP 1559 came out, and especially in the last 6 months, we have seen a massive amount of fundamental adoption going on with Ethereum and with Layer 2 protocols on top of Ethereum. The decentralized application space, the dApp space, the decentralized finance space, the NFT space, all of these things, the Layer 2 protocol space, all of these different areas are growing rapidly. And because Ethereum is the backbone that all of them are built on, Ethereum is performing very, very well. The charts are showing that we're undervalued right now compared to where we were in May. The fundamental value has gone up. The price action is still lower than where we started. What does that tell you? It tells you either one, we were undervalued then, we were overvalued then, or two, we are undervalued now. I think we're undervalued now, and we have a long way to go. So tell me, what do you think? Do you think a $6,000 Ethereum is coming in the next few months? I think it might be here before the end of the year, quite frankly, with how I think Bitcoin's going to move. But I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to sign up for the Cryptocurrency Technical Analysis Academy. You can find the link for that down below. That is the academy that I built 3 years ago to teach you guys everything I know about technical analysis. Every single chart formation I showed you in this video, you can find in CT2A. We have over 12 hours of high-quality educational content over there, and we have been so lucky as to help over 5,000 students learn how to do technical analysis so that they can be masters at technical analysis, and so that they can be masters at trading and masters in investment. If you want to learn the art of technical analysis and take back your financial freedom, which is why you're in cryptocurrency in the first place, check the link in the description box down below. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for you today. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Oh, I got a real good feeling.